Hey everyone, Jocelyn Peterson here, and I'm going to be teaching an upper body mobility today. This is all brought to you guys from an Amona partnership. So they have sponsored this whole thing, and so definitely give them a like, a follow, and subscribe so that you guys can get these classes and you're notified whenever they come out. So they're always different, and I'm going to be doing so much more mobility because it's so needed. We will be using a foam roller today, and if you have yoga blocks, you can definitely use those for modifications as well. So we're going to get started, and we're starting in, one more thing. So sorry, guys. If you are not cleared from a doctor, just make sure that you check in and make sure that you're allowed to do all of this stuff. If this is pre-mastectomy, awesome, you're totally good to go. If it's post-mastectomy, you want to make sure that you're cleared to do any of these things. All right, we'll get started now. So we're going to start with a child's pose. You're going to put your knees as wide as feels comfortable. You're going to walk your hands out in front. Bring your head to the ground. Or you can also use that foam roller. Put your head on the foam roller. I love this modification because you can actually press your forehead into the foam roller, and that gives a little bit extra of a stretch for that upper back too. Take a nice deep breath in and let it all out. One more deep breath in and all the way out. Great. So if you're using that foam roller, go ahead and put it off to the side again. And I'm going to have you walk all the way to your left side. This is going to make it stretch a lot more along your lats. Again, I'm not putting a ton of pressure on my hands. Shooting your hips back. Again, 2 deep breaths. Nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Deep breath in, and all the way out. All right, gently walk over to the other side. Now we're putting our arms all the way to the right, and you should feel this along your left side this time. Nice deep breath in, and out. Breath all the way in, and let it all out. Great. Slowly come out of that one. Okay, so we're going to go into now a cat-cow. So we're going to be on our hands and our knees. Give you guys a different view right here. So hands and knees. So we're going to take a nice deep breath in. And let it out as you tuck your pelvis. Deep breath in. And let it all out. Great. Let's go one more time. So nice deep breath in. And let it all out. Pushing the floor away from you. Really pressing like you're trying to press the ceiling away through your upper back. Good. Amazing. So now we're doing a similar thing. My hair's a little bit in the way right here. I want you to be able to see my upper back. So what I'm doing in this position now is I'm extending, pushing, like I said earlier, pushing the ground away, trying to reach the ceiling with my upper back. And then I'm going to sink down and let my pelvis relax. Good. So it's kind of just an exaggerated cat-cow. So go ahead and do that again. Take a nice deep breath in. Keep pressing. Let it out and sink. Awesome. All right. So now we're going into thread the needle. So we're still in this position. I'm going to give us a different view right here. So what we're going to do is, if you can, go nice and wide with your knees. For this first one, I'm going to take my left hand. I'm going to reach it up towards the ceiling. So this one's thread the needle. I'm going to bring that arm all the way through. You can either drop your head to the ground Or here comes that foam roller again. I love using modifications, so dropping that head onto the foam roller. That way you can completely relax, but not feel like you're, squishing your shoulder too much. I'm not a flexible person, so I tend to use a lot of props to try to find that position that feels relaxing. Take a nice deep breath in. Let it out. Good, nice deep breath in. And let it out. Awesome. Let's go to the other side. So if you're using that foam roller, just move it over a little bit. Reach that arm all the way up. Reach it all the way up. Good. Nice deep breath in. And as you breathe out, bring that arm all the way through. Put the head on the foam roller or yoga block. Awesome. Nice deep breath in. And breathe out. Nice deep breath in and out. Slowly come out of that one. Awesome. Okay, so this next one is also a T-spine opener. So we're going to go ahead and place that foam roller on the ground. Again, you can use a yoga block for this. So we're going to go onto our backs. Go ahead and put your head on that foam roller. Good. And now I'm going to actually lean towards you guys. So right here, it's also called open book as well. So you're going to put your hands together and take a nice deep breath in. And you're going to twist all the way open. Good. Do that one more time. Hands together. Nice deep breath in. And let it all out as you twist. Awesome. Okay, same thing, other side. So you can roll over if you want or switch sides. All right, you guys are going to see Raina a little bit more in this shot. Okay, so head on the foam roller. Knees are together. Go ahead and take that nice deep breath in. And breathe out. Good, and twist. I occasionally get a little bit of a crack in my back. Don't worry about it if you feel that. It's just an air release. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in one more time. And let it all out as you twist. Oh, feels so good. Awesome. So again, I'm using a foam roller. You can use a yoga block. It works just as fine. So this next one, you are going to use the foam roller instead of the yoga blocks. I don't want you to do this one if you're not cleared from your doctor yet. I mean, none of these, but if you are post-mastectomy, just make sure if you have had your lymph nodes removed, then get clearance before you do this. So we're going to foam roll our lats. And why I'm doing this is because your lats get so tight after surgery, and it's a great thing to do before for preparation. So you're going to go onto your side, and you may not need that much motion. Like, I barely have to move. I actually even have to take a little bit of pressure off sometimes and put my hand on the foam roller or on the ground. And if you notice, I may be moving an inch, just rolling up and down. I'm very close to the armpit. Take a couple breaths here. Good. And let's do the other side. Super short. If any of these feel really good for you, then I want you to just do it for longer, or go ahead and play this video again and go through a whole nother round. All right, same thing, just moving a couple inches. I'm kind of doing a little side crunch and then moving about an inch. Nice deep breath in and out. One more in and out. Good. We don't need to hang out too long, just for a little bit. All right, so another really good one is a tricep stretch. So you're going to take your arm, grab your elbow, and push down on that elbow. So I'm going to give you a back view right here. So what I'm doing is grabbing the elbow, pushing this down. I kind of wish that I grabbed a yoga strap, because sometimes what you can do is grab that yoga strap and pull on it, and that's a little bit more gentle. Just gently pushing down on the elbow. Good. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do other side. So grabbing that elbow, good, pressing down, good. Take a nice deep breath in, let it all out. Good. One more time. One more time. I do want to show one more modification. You can sit on that foam roller, which is amazing because then you're not squishing your toes. So grab that elbow, push down, all the way in, and let it out. So good. Okay, go ahead and rock the head side to side. Very good. Okay. Very last thing, we're going to go and end with child's pose. So, a little wider than we were before. Bring that head down. I love doing it with the yoga block or the foam roller, so press your head into that foam roller. This time, let that upper back completely relax. Give me 2 deep breaths here. Good. One more. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining today. And again, this is all because of Amona. So we are going to be doing a lot more mobility. Just remember to subscribe so you're notified for any of these videos and so you can keep up with them.